Alright guys, Joshua Chamberlain's Portable Welding, 4.5 to 5 hours of cleaning. We finally got the truck back up to my likings. Generally, this is what it looks like Monday mornings before I hit the road. We try to clean it up on Sundays after church. Me, my wife, and the girls gets out here and scrubs it. I am very particular about a clean truck. At the end of the video, you'll hear me kind of talking about how customers appreciate clean trucks. Other than that, I'm not going to do much more talking. Football games are on. Alabama's already playing. I'm sure a lot of my followers on here watches football. Who's y'all's favorite team? Who y'all root for today? Did y'all lose today, or y'all still playing or haven't played yet? Other than that, have a good weekend, and let's go watch some foosball. See y'all. So you got the inside pictures?
Oh, I didn't do any inside. I only did the outside. I forgot about the inside.
Hey y'all, Josh Chamberlain's Portable Welding. I have been waiting for Saturday and it's finally here. We have been working at a landfill this past week up towards Athens, Tennessee, and it's rained pretty good this week, and my truck is filthy and it stinks very bad. It smells like a garbage can. But we're gonna do a quick walk around. We generally keep this truck clean once a week. Monday morning before I hit the roads, the cab is generally spotless. You can eat off of it, but it only takes 2 or 3 good days worth of staying covered up and busy for your cab to get piled up with trash. We're gonna do a quick walk around it before we wash this truck, and then after to see how in depth we get. This is probably gonna take me 4 or 5 hours today to get the truck washed back up, just to be back dirty again probably Tuesday or Wednesday. But luckily this week, coming week, we're working in rock quarries, so it's not gonna be landfill mud. But you can see the driver's side. By the time we get done cleaning it, it's gonna look like it's a brand new truck. Definitely the interior. You see all the mud. Over here. Mud all in the inside of the bumper. Just everywhere.
I didn't know.
So this is after a week's worth of running. All of this stuff just accumulates in the cab. So it's going to look like a totally different truck at the end of the video. All clean back up, as I mentioned earlier, just to be dirty again by Tuesday or Wednesday. But customers really appreciate clean trucks showing up on the job. Definitely mine sites, IMSHA sites. They appreciate an organized, clean truck. And that's one reason my truck's always so clean. People like to joke about it always being clean and not getting worked out of. It's a big expense for us. I'm an owner operator, and I like to take care of my equipment, and if you keep it clean, you can stop any potential issues that are going to be happening. Other than that, my wife will just do a quick walk around to the truck, and then we'll do it after once we get it clean.
I'm gonna go grab stuff out of the garage.
Generally what we do when we first start doing this is we yank our floor mats out and we go ahead and wash the floor mats, set them to the side so they can dry. But after that, we take a pressure washer and I just knock all the mud and dirt off best I can with a pressure washer. Then we come back with a foam cannon, and then I use Superior Products Dirt Buster, really good for breaking all the dirt and stuff off. We let that sit on the truck for about 5 minutes, and then I come back through with the pressure washer, hit it again, and then I hand wash it. And I always like turtle wax products. And we just regular scrub brush. And the interior stuff, we use Chemical Guys, which I probably ought to be using all Chemical Guy products, but we just get what our local parts store's got. And this stuff here we like. So other than that, let's get the pressure washing and cleaning.
Pass that bottle, I'll have me a swig. I ain't got a lot, but I think I got it made in the shade. I'm just laid up here in a country